Sasika Saranu, welcome to HSP Construction. Today I'm pleased to inform another basement is ready to go. All the inspections are passed and is ready to rent out. So here's a main entrance. As you can see, is a joint. It's really huge. Let's go come inside now. I'll show you inside. So this is the main entrance here. This is almost like a similar, the one we did last time is a 1700 square footage. Is a kind of similar design, similar architect design. The door, and they are keeping the other side for themselves, but there is no access to go in and out. But only if they want to, they can keep it this one as a owner space if they want to. Otherwise, they can just rent it out 3-bedroom together. This is the 1-bedroom here with the attached washroom. Washroom has the 3-piece washroom, sliding door, and pretty nice tile texture, and has a beautiful niche in there. Yeah, and here's a vanity with a quartz countertop, and the toilet. The 3-piece washroom is very decent size for you know, if somebody is living here, they can go and washroom use the right. And come to the other side, and this is the laundry here. Pretty decent size. They can stack the laundry here. This is basically for a stacked laundry. And this is the sub pump area. Any excess water blender over there on the stairs, it's pumped out. And this is the living area with a beautiful kitchen. If you can see right here, this is an MDF kitchen cabinetry with a quartz countertop and with a beautiful range hood. This is an 800 CFM, like it's huge. It won't leave any smoke inside the basement. And as we go this way, this is a huge pathway. This goes to this area leads to a 1-bedroom here, and the 3rd bedroom is there. So this is a huge bedroom, having a closet, huge closet, walk-in closet, and same 42 by 42 windows. There's an egress window. This is very huge walk-in closet, and as always, like in our basement should have alarm system. Like this is a security, right? So these are all attached. Like 3 bedrooms, and the living area has a 4 in the basement has a 4 smoke detector that's interconnected to the upstairs as well. If something happened here, you know, just start alarming. You know, wake everybody up and just run out of the apartment if something happened in case. This is a beautiful second washroom. So if you see, as this is a sliding door there, and gives a luxurious look, having a beautiful niche, and again the same pattern, tile pattern. That looks so beautiful because it has a window in this washroom. That brings up the light. As you come out of this washroom, there's a third bedroom here. This is the biggest than all, I guess. This one has a electrical panel. What we did one big, huge panel that covers the electrical panel inside, and came out really good. It looks beautiful. Again, the same egress window, 42 by 42. And there's a huge walk-in closet. It's pretty big size. Yeah, again the alarm everywhere, like upstairs as well. So again, here we're standing here in the living area. So this is again egress window in this living area. Brings great light. And here we have another thing, it's a luxurious thing you can say. You don't see in most of the basements. We have a bell here. You know that this is essential too, right? Like someone is living here and someone comes, like a visitor visiting you, they don't need to call you and tell you, oh, we are outside. They can ring you up. So this is another thing. And there's a living area again, alarm. Like each room's and a living area has a alarm here, right? So this is what it is, and it came out really good. This is a 1700 square footage, and kind of it giving a luxurious look. If you see the tiles, there's a 24 by 24. There's a 2 by 2, 2 feet by 2 feet. Like it looks really good. It came out. And here is the furnace room. I will mention you one last thing. This is very important as well. I mention every time I make a video, I mention you here, guys. This is a smoke detector, a duct smoke detector. Anything happen in the furnace, this will turn off the furnace, and that way, the fire anywhere or something, it won't travel through the ducts, right? So this is a kind of big safety here. This is very important. Any legal basement, this one should have that. Without that, anyways, without this, city won't pass you. But in case some people, they're making the waste basement for their own living purposes, right? They're not legal. This is the important thing, guys. Put it on. And this is where it is. Here is water separation. This is basically distributing the water in the basement as well as the upstairs. Here's a sprinkler system. Here's a 2 sprinkler. One here. One is on the other side is covering the furnace, and anything in uncertain happens, this is fully protected. So guys, this is our latest project. We just finished it. Everybody is so happy with that. Even the owner is happy. He's saying it came out really nice. Whatever their vision is, dream, you can say, it came in reality. So no problem. Thank you very much. And he was happy. And I just want to say, if you guys have any project, if you want to get it done in your basement, and you can visit on my YouTube channel, as well as you can visit my TikTok page, as well as Instagram, and you can get my number and just call. Just get a quote, and if you like it, and you can visit, I can show you my work, whatever the work we have done. It's not everything is legal, without city requirements we don't proceed. Every step has their own inspection, we get it done and then we proceed. So this is where the customer satisfaction is first, right, for HSP team. And if you need anything, any kind of commercial as well as residential renovation, please call us our number 416-671-0709. And please subscribe my channel, like and share, and thank you very much. Have a good day. Thank you.